Hello! It is very important to know how to communicate with your audience. This video will help you to learn the right steps. Leads, you can take it from here.
Hello everyone, Leeds here. Go to your Facebook page and then to your inbox. On the left-hand side, you can see your Facebook and Instagram PM, DM, and comments. It is really easy to handle and navigate just by clicking on the desired section. All messages, Messenger, Instagram Direct, Facebook comments, Instagram comments, and automated responses. In order to see Instagram comments and messages, you'll need to have an Instagram account connected to your Facebook page. Automated responses. Greet people. Instant reply. If you want your responses to be fast, this button should be on. Clicking on editing allows you to choose a platform, whether it's Messenger or Instagram. Timing is instant. Also, you can personalize the message you intend to send to your visitors by clicking on Add Personalization and typing out your desired response. Also, you can create an away message. You should use this if you're not able to answer someone's question in the shortest period of time. But remember, if your page is away and instant reply is on, visitors will receive an away message instead of an instant reply. You can schedule timing when you want an away message to be sent. You can choose a day in the week, time zone, and the particular time frame. Frequently asked questions. Usually on pages, there are repetitive questions, so you can easily create a kind of a chatbot by creating questions and automated responses on these questions. For example, question number 1, where can I buy this tutorial? Automated response should be, you can buy Leeds tutorials on the following link, www.leedstutorials.com. If the answer should be in a photo or video, you can just add an attachment. You're giving users the multiple choices and thus different options. Adding button by clicking on button label and adding website URL helps enrich the conversation by combining Facebook and web page experience. For example, you're selling cosmetics, and the button helps you to choose one among plenty. Job application received. This is an animated answer regarding the job that you posted. If you're a business-oriented page, sections, appointment reminders, appointment follow-ups are the good way to organize your page space and time. Page recommended. Use this message after someone publicly shares that they recommend your page. Page not recommended. Automated answer when someone publicly says that they do not recommend your page. This is the moment you can explain to customers that they can learn more about your page or business. Now, if you think that you completed all the steps, there's still plenty ahead. Next step is to improve your messaging skills. Sometimes it's good to be immediate, but if you're a business that requires official communication, be sure to use it. Sometimes it's allowed to make jokes and be creative in your answers, but you have to set some boundaries, so be careful when you do that. If you have a big company and plenty of community managers, and in case you don't know what a community manager is, you can check out our free tutorial, Social Media Language and Expressions. It is necessary to have and retain the same type of communication in each conversation. Do not change your mood and opinion from one answer and message to another. Feel free to add emojis to your conversations. In personal communication that goes through your profile, you can use more immediate language, GIFs, emojis, and face filters. Feel free to try them out. And how can you tell the job is done? Well, knowing that you can rest and let the Facebook automated answers do all the rest. Chat plugin. You can add chat to your website. First, you'll have to set up the chat. Add a language of the message, your website link, copy the code so you can embed it to your website, send yourself an email as a reminder, and at the end, click Finish. What's next? Welcome message, frequently asked questions, and answer as we mentioned in this tutorial. Just this time not on Facebook page, but for your website. You can also customize this chat plugin so it can correspond with your website design. This chat box can pop up instantly when someone visits your page. Email. You can connect your emails with your Facebook page so you can have everything in one place. Well, that's all from me in this video tutorial. See you in the next one.
Thank you, Leeds. You've been very helpful.